North America, or whatever you like to download. Or you can walk and go directly, if you're in a hurry, you can directly download all the maps material over the air. Or there is another option, you can use the OV suite and also update over side loading or with OV suite directly into your device. Why we do that? Because it's cost effective for the end consumer. They don't have to be afraid of a lot of costs just for data traffic. By the way, please don't forget, you also can set your maps navigation to offline mode, means that no data traffic is happening at all. When we speak about Symbian Anna is pre-installed on the X7 and also on the E6. But it will also be available for the in-life devices, means all the Symbian 3 devices which are already on the market. And here these updates will be ready during July. So we expect in the second half of July to have the updates with the Swiss data ready for you, that all the end consumers can download to the existing device. Means E7, N8, C7, C6. And again, this is the first step. The first release. The next one will be that in the third quarter a new update will come where the whole user experience gets, again, much, much easier. Today we are here not just about Symbian Anna, we speak about two products. First of these two products is the Nokia E6. E6 is a very interesting productivity tool. Means I don't like to say it's a business device, because there are a lot of customers out there who just like to have a keyboard. Means I think the use case for the end consumers defines what kind of product it is. What we do have here is our first Symbian 3 device with a touch screen with a QWERTY device here. It's the smaller brother or sister from the E7. You can do everything with that one. Good camera, 8 megapixel. Quite good design, and it's small. Then the other device we do have is the X7. You have here the sales package as example. The X7 is not for productivity, it's more for entertainment. Means it's the perfect product for all these people who like to have a huge screen. It's a 4-inch screen for gaming, for watching videos and all that stuff. So the X7 as a pure entertainment device. Good, so I would say let's switch now to the live demo part, where I will show you some first things about Symbian Anna, and after this short presentation we'll go then into the Q&As. Here we go. So, what you see here is the screen. My first screen. You see here my calendar. You see here my mail for exchange. You already see the new iconography with the new icons. You can go through. You see here Facebook. What you also have for all Symbian devices already in the package is some stuff like the Office Communicator. Means you can chat with your colleagues from work. Very useful. We also use that within Nokia. You work in the office with a laptop, then you go to a meeting and you like to ask something like, I would do to Simon, can you please give me an update on the OV store or whatever? So I always can carry all my colleagues from all over the world, I can carry with me with the Office Communicator. What we also have in is mobile VPN. That actually means that you do have, over your Nokia smartphone, direct access to your intranet. So if you have a company or work in a company, you can use the mobile VPN and get access to the intranet. Also quite useful. And then here, the next screen, you can customize. You see also you can have as much home screens, or you can customize the home screen in that sense as it fits for you. background pictures to change, but let's go now into some details. When we go to the mail client, you have here the example. I already read this mail. This is why it's green, why it's gray. And here in white, the mails I haven't read yet. You have the indication that this is a calendar invitation. You can accept them. You can filter with date, from whom it is, what is the main message of it. Or you can set up a new mail. The next thing, which is quite good, let's go to the menu. You can go to Messages, Dialogue, and here as example, I just take that. You can now just write and you have the message on top. Small improvements, but improvements which were needed hardly. So again, the user experience which has to be better much. So when I go now in the writing mode, in this device I don't need the Portrait QWERTY because I have the keyboard. With all the other Symbian 3 devices, I would have here now then the keyboard to type on. We can also go to navigation. You can go to the map. And here you already see as example, oh, here's public transportation. Let's get some more details on it. You see, it's a main station. Let's check some infos. And then it's downloading. You can also directly check in. You see what is nearby. You can save that. You can navigate to that position and all that stuff. Quite cool. So when we speak about maps, our map solution, we have all that in. When we go back to the menu part, for me, when we speak about a smartphone, it's a must-have to have a good browser. And let's go here to the example. Just go back. Let's open the browser. Let's go to nokia.ch. You see here in the lower corner, you have the menu. You just put on it or press on it. Then you have the starting page. You can search the website. You can save as a bookmark or can open your bookmark. You can go to the pages you already have checked. You can web feeds, means add your RSS feeds, all that stuff. Just click on it, then it's away. You see here again in the background the flash support. Also this nice Windows to open here. And I go back to the main view. When we go to the menu, you also see here Office. You see here the Office communicator. You do see F-Secure. F-Secure is also pre-installed, actually the anti-theft version, where you can locate your device. We always care also about security means with the Symbian software. You can activate the hardware chip which secures the data, means encrypt all the stuff on your memory card or also on the internal memory. PDF for sure, internet already mentioned, you can access to the internet pages from your company, however you like to do that. Then applications, this part you actually already know. When you go to update, you can update your device to the latest version, and this will also be something what we will use then and communicate to the end consumers. What is the best way to update your existing device to Symbian? For sure, always the best solution is to do it with the OV suite. Because in Switzerland, a lot of the end consumer like to have the most convenient way to back up their stuff, download the latest maps application, like to synchronize all their stuff, like taking pictures or videos, whatever. And for that, we do have the OV suite solution, which is actually now in a proactive mode. Means it's really good for test it out. So if you haven't tested lately the OV suite, please do it.